Let's make the easiest, flakiest pie crust with only 4 ingredients. No rolling and no chilling required. Anyone can make this. Start by lightly greasing a 9-inch pie pan. This is a press-in crust, so no rolling pin needed. We're keeping things simple. Cut half a cup of cold butter into small cubes. Cold butter is what makes this crust buttery and flaky. Add the butter to the mixing bowl. Then add the flour and the salt to that same bowl. Now use your hands and press the butter right into the flour. We're going for a crumbly, sandy texture, little buttery pebbles. When all the flour is coated, you're ready for the next step. Add 4 tablespoons of ice water and gently fold with a spatula. The dough will turn sticky. That's exactly what we want for a pressing crust. Transfer the dough straight into your greased pan and start pressing it into shape. Work it up the edges, press down the bottom, and just try to get it roughly even. Don't stress. This is homemade. It doesn't have to look perfect to taste perfect. Blind bake your crust for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you a sturdy, flaky base for any filling. And that's it, the easiest pie crust ever. Check out my next video for a healthier twist on pecan pie filling.